Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Malfai Osman. Project this is called Assessing Transparency and Openness in High Scientific Publishing, Development of a Web-Based Assessment Tool. Okay, before that, I want to introduce my group members. Okay, first we have Nur Masliana Razlan. Okay, me myself, Muhammad Malfai Osman, Muhammad Rahmi Muhammad Osman, Prof. Abrizah, and then Syamsul Farid dan Syamsuddin, the librarian from UM, and also Ali Fauzi Mahan. Okay, academicians and researchers, we all often write and publish scientific research papers. We publish papers in journals, okay, to create new knowledge, and also we want to extend knowledge. And we provide explanation to phenomena by providing the factors of why this happened, and we also have trying to solve the real world problems. Research papers, okay, these papers that we publish in the journals, okay, they were used, okay, for other researchers, okay, other decision makers, okay, a politician, strategic planner, business managers. They used to make informed decisions, and they do the strategic planning, okay, policy making, and why they rely on these papers, because these research papers, which is published in reputable journal, this high credibility, reliability, and authoritativeness. Okay, reputable journals, okay, which is we mean the index journals such as Scopus Index or WOS Index or any other indexing that which is trusted, has rigorous reviewing process. Okay, they will read your papers again and again. They will to make sure that your papers are high quality in terms of how you generate those knowledge, and how your papers contribute to the respected field. Okay, the problem is, okay, we all researchers and academicians, we need to publish certain amount of articles. However, okay, we often face rejection of our paper being published to reputable journal to several factors. There are so many factors, maybe about your contribution, about your method, okay, about your literature review, about your language. There are so many factors, but research by our group members, which is Dr. Masliana Razlan, she has confirmed that transparency and openness in scientific writing are one of the most critical factors that contribute towards rejection. Okay, this means that you are not transparent enough and openness in your scientific writing. That's why you are rejected. Okay, this is confirmed by conduct survey of more than 300 academicians to verify this proposition. And she analyzed data using smart PLS structured equation modeling, okay, with a very rigorous process and she come up with 8 important variables and measurement that significantly influence transparency and openness in scientific writing. Okay, this is the paper that's been published. There are 4 papers. Okay, the first one has been published in journal MJLIS, which is indexed by Scopus Q2 and WOS Q3, and another one is published in ICOLIS, and then iConsult, and the last one paper has been accepted by journals but it's not published yet. Measurement of Masliana, okay, using Google Form and paper-based. This made the measurement complicated as the respondent would not be able to get their result before analysis need to be made through sophisticated PLS. Okay, so you are a researcher, right? So you can answer this questionnaire by Masliana. Okay, you answer it through Google Form and you submit, but you never get the result. So our objective is, okay, we provide a web-based automated self-measurement system, okay, to measure your transparency and openness in scientific writing. So you answer everything our questionnaire. Okay, this questionnaire have been gone through rigorous process such as the pre-test, the pilot test, okay, comment from the expert, comment from the academician. And when you answer it, okay, the system will provide the result by providing the radar chart to clearly identify which area you need to improve to get your article published. Once you have identified the variables, okay, the reason why your articles rejected, so we use a AI suggestion. Okay, this AI will take suggestion from publication, from scientific publication, to suggest you how to increase the score. This system can be accessed through www.tos2aosp myapps.my. Okay, you can try to access. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the system works. The interface of the system, right? TOSP. So we have 8 variables. Sharing and connecting is one of it. So in sharing and connecting, we have several items. Okay, and then data transparency. So we have another item, and authorship and publishing. We have items. Okay, open access publishing. Betul, we have 8. Peer review, research collaboration, reproducibility, preprints 8. Okay, so you have to answer around 59 questions. Okay, and this is your demographic. Okay, you have to fill in the discipline. Okay, for the purpose of testing, okay, I have generated a auto answer. So the system will auto answer the everything. You try to do this and you tell me how, and then you create submit. Okay, so once you submit, okay, this is the radar chart. Okay, from the 8 variables, this show you that okay, you have enough data transparency, authorship publishing, open access publishing, collaboration is low, right? So you have to increase your collaboration with librarian or other researcher from university, from different faculty, and peer review also you need to improve. You have to ask your maybe your supervisor, your friend, your professor, your dean, your boss to check your papers first and preprints, okay, and reproducibility. Okay, how your research can be reproduced again, right? So you must provide the rigorous method and things like that. The system also able to generate analysis like this. Okay, so the two is the area 7. Area 7. Okay, so this is a suggestion. Ensure detailed reporting method consider previous of studies. Sharing code essential to others replicate your findings. So this is how to make others can reproduce your research. Your method must be very solid, okay, very transparent, very detailed. So others can simply copy and then try test to in other sample. Ensure comprehensive accurate reference details, including DOIs. Okay, so you need to use AI lah, Mendeley or whatever to make sure your reference is very good. Okay, this utilize reference management software, Mendeley, Zotero, or EndNote. You can go to online class to organize sources. Prioritize direct citation or primary source rather than secondary review. This is another problem by researchers. Okay, you need to cite the primary sources. Actively verify the status of cited material. So this is the result of all group. Okay, group 1 sharing connecting, you see. Okay, so to improve data transparency, all the result produced in graphical way. Authorship publishing, open access publishing. Okay, peer review. This is the very low. That need to improvement. Research collaboration, okay, also very low. Okay, reproducibility also very low, so you need to improve on this certain. Okay, Isan, that's all from our project. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any comment, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.